Let's explore the pros and cons of dry-type versus oil-filled transformers for outdoor shoreline applications with salt air, focusing on transformers in the 75 to 500 kV range. Starting with outdoor dry-type transformers, one major advantage is lower fire risk. They don't involve flammable liquids, making them safer in environments where fire is a concern. They are also environmentally friendly. Since they don't use oil, there's no risk of leaks contaminating the soil or groundwater. Many are constructed with fire-resistant enclosures, suitable for areas with elevated fire hazards. Their maintenance is generally lower, because they don't require regular oil testing or filtration. Furthermore, resin-insulated coils offer reduced susceptibility to the corrosive effects of salt air. However, dry-type transformers also have disadvantages. Their initial cost is higher compared to oil-filled units. They may also have a lower thermal capacity, meaning they can have high temperature rises under heavy loads. Finally, while resistant to salt air, they are not as moisture resistant as oil-filled designs and might require additional protection against salt spray. Now considering oil-filled transformers, these have some clear benefits. Their initial cost is typically lower. This makes them a more affordable option. They offer higher thermal capacity, allowing them to handle larger overloads and load fluctuations. The oil provides excellent insulation and protects against moisture penetration. In some cases, oil-filled transformers have a longer lifespan than dry-type transformers, particularly in humid or corrosive environments. There are significant downsides to oil-filled transformers. They present a higher fire risk because the oil is flammable. They pose environmental concerns because oil leaks can contaminate the soil and groundwater. Maintenance requirements are higher, demanding regular oil testing, filtration, and possibly replacement. Finally, the oil is susceptible to degradation from salt air exposure, increasing maintenance demands. When choosing between dry-type and oil-filled transformers, carefully evaluate the specific location and environmental conditions, including humidity, salt air exposure, and fire hazards. Assess installation costs, as dry-type transformers often need more extensive installation because of their size and ventilation needs. Also, consider the long term, including transformer lifespan and maintenance costs, weighing the longer lifespan of oil-filled models against their increased maintenance burden.